Hi friends, step to step transformer or isolation transformer means if the number of winding turns are equal in both primary and secondary sides of transformer is called isolation transformer or step to step transformer. Means if primary side and secondary side number of turns must be equal. This side, for example, this side 230, this side also must be 230, means it will equal. In this case, this transformer will called step to step transformer or isolation transformer. Means just number of turns equal. It didn't do step up or step down. It will only transfer power in equal voltage. Both sides are equal voltage, no changes in voltages. Okay, in this case this transformer will called step to step transformer or isolation transformer. It mainly used in sensitive circuits. Some circuits is there that will be very sensitive, means critical equipment will present in circuit. This transformer will definitely use in starting of circuit. Why? Because for avoid the upstream problems, means for very long, from very long to some transmission lines is there. Through transmission lines from large distance, from remote areas, power will come up to transmission and distribution. In this transmission and distribution, there will be lot of ground capacitance and inductive reactance. These all are present in transformer during transmission and distribution. For avoid these all are hesitating factors, it will use. Up to here these problems will come. It will magnetically connected and electrically isolated, so these problems come up to primary winding only. It didn't transfer to second winding, so this side load will be safe. If you are connected some load to isolation transformer, problems didn't carry to secondary side. This is main purpose of using this step to step transformer or isolation transformer in critical circuit. For example, this is our voltage or current wave. It will be like this. Okay, after some ripple factor will be present in this type after transmission and distribution. This is before isolation transformer. Before isolation transformer. After isolation transformer, these curves will be like this. So it will be effective. These in this voltage or current curves, there is no ripple factors, and these ripple factor in primary side it will avoid in here like this. Good quality power will get in secondary side. That's why we are using step to step transformer or isolation transformer. Thank you.